The Ocean Club, a Four Seasons resort, is a luxurious 5-star haven on Paradise Island, Bahamas, set along an 8-kilometer white sand beach amid 35 acres of Versailles-inspired gardens with whimsical statues and blooming bougainvillea. This historic retreat, featured in James Bond's Casino Royale, offers a serene escape from Nassau's bustle, ideal for couples, families, or over 50 travelers seeking privacy and relaxation. Accommodations include 107 elegant rooms, suites, and villas, from ocean view kings with private balconies and neutral Bahamian chic decor to spacious 3-bedroom beachfront villas with infinity pools, full kitchens, vaulted ceilings, and 24-hour butler service. Features like plush king beds, marble bathrooms with deep tubs and premium toiletries, Nespresso machines, and free Wi-Fi ensure comfort. Amenities dazzle with 3 pristine pools, the iconic Versailles adult-only, a family lagoon with zero entry and waterfalls, and an oceanfront infinity. The Balinese-style spa offers massages in private villas, a gym hosts Pilates, 6 clay tennis courts and a Tom Weiskopf golf course beckon. Complimentary bikes explore grounds, and a kids club, ages 4 to 12, provides crafts. Pet-friendly policies add appeal. Dining features Michelin-starred Dune by Jean Georges for oceanfront seafood, casual ocean poolside fare, martini bar cocktails, and in-room or beachside options with customized menus. Breakfast buffet shine with fresh pastries and eggs. Activities include beach lounging, snorkeling reefs, swimming with pigs excursions, yoga, or Atlantis water park access. Pros: exceptional personalized service with staff anticipating needs, stunning uncrowded beach and gardens, peaceful luxury fostering romance or family memories, and high cleanliness. However, it's pricey with potential overcharges for average value, some dated rooms and facilities, inconsistent service like flaky attendance, crowded pools during peaks, and isolated location requiring shuttles. Overall, the Ocean Club delivers timeless Bahamian elegance for a rejuvenating island idyll.